Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If it's not, welcome back. It's your girl Crystal with London Girl Beauty, and I thought today I'd come to you and bring you, a little Easter inspired look, dark skin friendly chocolate girls. But this look could apply to anyone. I'm gonna be messing around with some loose pigments. I got them from Angel's Lovely Bundles. They sell loose pigments too. So I got some pretty colors. I'm going to try to do a look that incorporates like the pink, the purple, and this little neon-esque orange. Can you guys see that? They're pretty nice. They look to be super pigmented, so I'm going to be trying them out for the first time today. But I'm not going to talk a lot. I'm just going to let you guys follow along. I've already done my base and my eyebrows, so I'm gonna probably put some more setting powder under my eye just to catch any fallout since I'm dealing with some loose pigments. But let's get right into this look. First, I'm gonna start off with this, the pink, the loose pink. And I'm gonna put that all over my, what do you call it? Over my crease. Go with a little fluffy brush. Oh Lord, I already see. Oh Lord. Oh, Jesus help me. I got my mirror over here, so I'll be looking to this side. Alright, it picks up a lot. Oh, we had to fall out on this, is inevitable. It on here. And again, I forgot to do my primer for now. That's okay. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the purple. I like this color purple. Very nice, very nice. I use a smaller packing brush for this. Excuse me. Done with that. I'm gonna take that thin brush from before and just go along this line here, just above that. Alright, for the final one, I'm gonna go into this peachish orangish one right here. Okay guys, so this is what this looks like. planner on there. Alright, this is the finished eye look. I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face and I'll come right back and close out this video. Well guys, here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little mini tutorial. Just playing in some colors and some pigments. You can be sure to pick up your pigments from Angel Lovely Bundles. They're on Facebook and on Instagram. And they have pigments. They have bundles, obviously, lace front closures. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. A little Easter inspired and dark skin friendly for our chocolate girls out there. I always like to play in colors. Usually, like, if I'm doing something simple, I'm probably not going to do in colors, but if it's fun, you know, colors all day. I hope you guys enjoyed it again. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, this is my new channel. If you already subscribed to me on Culturally Gifted, this is a completely new channel just focused on beauty and fashion, tips and tricks. So you guys be sure to follow me on here too, and let's have some fun reviewing videos, chit-chatting, getting ready together, you know, the whole shebang. But thank you guys again for watching, and have a great day. Bye!